Easy one-pot meal for energy and adrenal nourishment. Welcome to the Supportive Kitchen. Today we're diving into a warm, nourishing recipe, easy one-pot meal for energy and adrenal nourishment. This recipe is designed to support your body's natural energy, promote gentle adrenal balance, and give you a comforting, grounding meal when life feels busy or overwhelming. Before we begin, a gentle reminder: all recipes shared here are educational and supportive. They are not medical advice. If you have specific health conditions, adrenal concerns, or dietary restrictions, please consult your healthcare professional. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Supportive Kitchen. You've found a space dedicated to stress-free, nourishing meals that not only fill your stomach, but also support your mind and body. I invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll join our supportive community and never miss a video designed to help you cook with ease, care, and joy.
1. Quinoa, 1 cup, rinsed. Functional role. Quinoa is a gentle, gluten-free source of complex carbohydrates and protein. It provides steady energy, helping prevent blood sugar spikes that can stress the adrenals. Flavor profile. Light, nutty, slightly chewy. It absorbs flavors beautifully, making it a perfect base for one-pot meals. 0 prep hacks. You can use pre-rinsed, pre-packaged quinoa, which eliminates washing. Instant or quick-cook quinoa can also speed up the process. Why it matters? Quinoa's complete protein content supports sustained energy, helping your body maintain focus and vitality throughout the day. Including quinoa in this meal ensures that your body has both fuel and nourishment without heavy starches that could feel sluggish. 2. Chicken or plant-based protein, 1 pound, cubed. Functional role. Provides high-quality protein essential for adrenal support, hormone balance, and energy recovery. Flavor profile. Mild and adaptable. It takes on seasonings, herbs, and spices easily. 0 prep hacks. Use pre-cooked rotisserie chicken, cubed tofu, or pre-marinated tempeh for instant protein without extra chopping or prep. Why it matters? Adequate protein is critical for adrenal health. When your adrenals are taxed, your body needs protein to maintain neurotransmitter balance and reduce fatigue. Choosing easy protein options ensures you can cook quickly while still nourishing your body. 3. Sweet potato, 1 medium, diced or cubed. Functional role. Sweet potatoes are adrenal supportive carbohydrates rich in beta-carotene and fiber. They gently stabilize blood sugar and provide vitamins A and C for immune support. Flavor profile. Naturally sweet and creamy when cooked, balancing savory ingredients. 0 prep hacks. Buy pre-diced sweet potato or frozen cubes. This eliminates chopping while retaining all nutrients. Why it matters? Sweet potatoes help your body regulate cortisol, the stress hormone produced by your adrenals. Their natural sweetness also adds comforting flavor without processed sugar, keeping your meals supportive rather than stimulating. 4. Kale or spinach, 2 cups, chopped. Functional role. Leafy greens provide micronutrients like magnesium, vitamin C, and folate, supporting energy metabolism and stress resilience. Flavor profile. Slightly earthy, mild when sautéed or simmered. 0 prep hacks. Pre-washed, pre-chopped greens save time and reduce cleanup. You can also use frozen spinach, which softens quickly in one-pot cooking. Why it matters? Magnesium-rich greens are particularly helpful for adrenal support, calming the nervous system and promoting gentle energy rather than spikes and crashes. Adding leafy greens also boosts fiber, supporting digestion and overall vitality. 5. Carrots, 1 cup, sliced or diced. Functional role. Carrots offer vitamin A, antioxidants, and slow-digesting carbs, providing both sweetness and gentle energy support. Flavor profile. Naturally sweet and earthy, softens nicely in simmered dishes. 0 prep hacks. Use baby carrots or pre-sliced carrot packs. No peeling required. Why it matters. Carrots help maintain balanced blood sugar and contribute to the meal's overall nourishing, comforting texture. Their color and aroma also enhance the sensory experience, supporting mindful cooking and eating. 6. Onion and garlic. 1 small onion minced, 2 cloves of garlic minced. Functional role. Both support immune health, digestion, and gentle detoxification, while providing natural flavor depth. Flavor profile. Onion offers sweet, savory warmth. Garlic adds aromatic punch and subtle heat. Zero prep hacks. Pre-minced garlic in jars and pre-chopped onion reduce prep time drastically without losing flavor. Why it matters. The combination of onion and garlic adds complexity and aroma, turning a simple dish into a comforting experience. These ingredients also contain compounds that reduce inflammation and support energy metabolism, complementing adrenal support. 7. Olive oil or avocado oil, 2 tablespoons. Functional role. Provides healthy fats, which support hormone production, adrenal function, and satiety. Flavor profile. Mild, slightly fruity, enhances all other ingredients without overpowering. Zero prep hacks. Use pre-measured oil or an oil sprayer to control portions. Why it matters. Adrenal supportive fats help maintain balanced cortisol levels and provide long-lasting energy. Including a healthy fat in this meal ensures that your body absorbs fat-soluble vitamins and experiences stable energy throughout the day. 8. Herbs and spices. Thyme, paprika, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Functional role. These enhance flavor, digestion, and anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric is particularly supportive for adrenal health and gentle inflammation relief. Flavor profile. Warm, earthy, slightly sweet and savory depending on spice ratios. Zero prep hacks. Use pre-mixed spice blends or ready-to-use containers to save time. Why it matters. Aromatic herbs and spices stimulate the senses, improve mood, and make the cooking experience more enjoyable. They also provide micronutrients and antioxidants, enhancing the meal's restorative properties. Step 1. Prep your ingredients mindfully. Even though most of your ingredients are zero prep, take a moment to observe the colors, textures, and aromas. Notice the vibrant orange of the sweet potato, the deep green of the kale, and the earthy tones of quinoa. This brief mindfulness check-in sets a calm tone for the meal. Step 2. Heat your oil. Add 2 tablespoons of olive or avocado oil to a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Watch for a slight shimmer in the oil, a visual signal that it's ready. Smell the subtle aroma, noticing how this small step already brings warmth and grounding. Step 3. Sauté aromatics. Add minced onion and garlic to the oil. Stir gently for 2 to 3 minutes until onions are translucent and garlic is fragrant. Listen for a gentle sizzle. Smell the sweet and savory aroma filling your kitchen. Optional zero prep hack, pre-minced onion or garlic can save time while still giving depth of flavor. Step 4. Add your diced sweet potatoes and carrots. Stir to coat them in the oil and aromatics. Timing, cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Sensory cue, feel the softness start to develop and notice the sweetness of the aroma intensifying. Mindful tip, focus on the texture changes. This small act of attention turns cooking into a meditative practice. Step 5. Add quinoa and protein. Add quinoa and your choice of protein, chicken, tofu, or tempeh. Stir to combine. Optional variation, for extra flavor, toast the quinoa lightly in the oil for 2 minutes before adding liquid. This enhances its nutty aroma. Zero prep hack, pre-cooked protein allows you to add it later just to warm through, reducing cooking stress. Step 6. Pour in liquid and simmer. Add 2 to 3 cups of low-sodium broth or water. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to a simmer. Timing, cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until quinoa is tender and sweet potatoes are soft. Step 7. Add leafy greens and seasonings. Stir in kale or spinach along with thyme, turmeric, paprika, salt, and pepper.
Timing: cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until greens are wilted but vibrant. Mindful cue: as you stir, focus on the vibrant colors and aromas, grounding yourself in the present moment. Step 8. Taste and adjust seasonings. Taste your meal and adjust seasonings to your preference. A pinch of salt or a dash of lemon juice can elevate flavors while keeping it gentle and nourishing. Optional variations: add coconut milk for creaminess or a drizzle of olive oil for extra richness. Step 9. Serve mindfully. Scoop the meal into bowls, noticing the colors, textures, and warmth. Before eating, take a slow, deep breath and appreciate the effort you put into nourishing yourself. Flavor variations. 1. Creamy coconut twist. Add half cup of coconut milk near the end of cooking for a creamy texture. This enhances healthy fat content, supporting adrenal function and sustained energy. Optional: sprinkle with fresh cilantro for freshness and added antioxidants. 2. Mediterranean influence. Swap thyme and turmeric for oregano, rosemary, and a squeeze of lemon. Toss in olives or sun-dried tomatoes for depth of flavor. This variation emphasizes antioxidant-rich ingredients, boosting vitality and mood support. 3. Spicy boost. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or smoked paprika for a gentle metabolism and circulation lift. Ideal if you enjoy warming, stimulating flavors, while still supporting energy without cortisol spikes. Batch cooking and storage tips. Batch cooking: double the recipe to have 3 to 4 days worth of meals ready. Store in airtight containers in the fridge. Reheating: gently warm on the stove with a splash of broth or water to retain texture. Freezing: portion into freezer-safe containers, thaw overnight in the fridge before reheating. Mindful tip: label containers with the date and variation to make grabbing a supportive meal effortless. Thank you for cooking along with me today. I hope this easy one-pot meal for energy and adrenal nourishment brought a little calm, nourishment, and restoration to your week. Remember, this isn't just a meal, it's a small act of self-care designed to support your body, mind, and energy levels. By preparing this one-pot meal, you've gently supported your adrenal health with protein, complex carbs, and leafy greens. You've engaged in mindful cooking, turning each stir and sensory cue into a restorative practice. You've learned practical zero-prep strategies to save time while keeping the meal nourishing and satisfying. You've created a dish that's adaptable, batchable, and supportive even on your busiest or most stressful days. If you enjoyed this recipe and the mindful, supportive approach, I invite you to subscribe to The Supportive Kitchen and hit the notification bell so you never miss another stress-free, restorative meal. Share your thoughts or variations in the comments. We love hearing how you make these meals your own. Remember, every small step in the kitchen is a step toward nourishment, calm, and energy balance. Treat yourself kindly. Enjoy the flavors and know that your efforts are an important act of care. Thank you again for being here, and I look forward to cooking with you in the next video.